What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In this time, we are going to talk about how to use ModuleCalendar. Let's go. We import ModuleCalendar and set a variable calendar month equals calendar module and month function with argument of 2020 and November, and we print calendar month and execute it. It shows a month calendar of November 2020. And what if we want to change the first day of the week? How should we do? We just use calendar set first week day function and calendar Sunday and execute it. Yeah, you can see the first day has been changed. And let's go on. We set another variable calendar year equals calendar function 2021, and we print calendar of year and execute it. It shows the year calendar of 2021. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about how to use ModuleCalendar. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.